shoot him right there, Drake.
Can you shoot him?
Just a sec, just a sec. Wait till he comes out in front of the decoy. Okay, get ready. Okay, you on him?
Are you on him? If you're on him, shoot him.
Just a sec. Wait till he picks his head up.
Not yet, not yet.
If you can shoot him right there, shoot him.
If you can do it,
Shoot him.
Yeah, boy!
Oh, my first turkey.
Oh, you hammered him. Oh, man.
right on, buddy.
85.
Right at the first shot.
All that practicing paid off,
Oh, my
buddy.
gosh. That was perfect.
When he's...
Sweet.
That's when you say, hammer down.
Yeah, I want to get it.
Okay.
Oh, my gosh. Were you nervous?
No, I'm excited.
Were you nervous, though?
Yes.
You did a good job.
Yes,
You did a very good job, buddy.
That is awesome.
That is a nice looking turkey right there. Right?
That is an awesome turkey.
All right.
I think he's got like an 8-inch beard. Didn't we say our minimum was 8 inches? We weren't shooting anything under 8 inches.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's an awesome...
That is awesome.
You have now done something I haven't done. I've never
Dude.
killed a turkey.
You hit him perfect. Did you see his head go?
I know. It's like... ring.
That was
Oh my
awesome,
gosh.
buddy.
I know it's like...
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it. I killed my first turkey.
Hey, we're here with Drake and his dad, Dave. Youth Outdoors, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Youth Outdoors is a pretty special deal.
Yes.
Look at these.
What?
That's just reflexes. See, his neck's broke.
Get up. Should I kill him again?
No, we're
No,
not
we're
going to
good.
shoot him again. I think he's done.
Wait until he dies.
Oh my gosh.
That was awesome.
You got it done early. I even get time to make it to my baseball game.
Yep.
What time is it?
We smacked that thing at about, it's 7:18 now. It was probably 7:15.
Wow. Nice. Good job. Say something to Sandman.
Yeah.
I killed my first turkey.
Say, Mike. Say